Alright, took my Remington 870 12 gauge apart, gave it a pretty good cleaning, and we're just going to do a little video here of how to put it all back together again.
So on a regular 870, those pins would just be straight pins, but now they're threaded rods that...
Mesa Tactical different pins for their side saddle.
And then that secures the side saddle without having to drill or tap any holes, but it's also very secure because it goes straight through the receiver.
Yep.
And there's a rubber backing behind this?
Yeah, didn't show that on the video, but there's a rubber backing behind that so it doesn't scratch the finish of the receiver, which wouldn't matter on this one because it's a little wore anyway. They've got a cutout right here so you can still see the serial number of the shotgun there.
That's handy. A lot of them cover that. And then that same rubber backing comes through and you can just see it peeking into the holes, and that same rubber by friction holds the shotgun shells in place.